Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs on a daily newspaper, The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on bioeatery policy of India. The first statement states the policy recognizes functional food and smart protein as a key thematic area for India's biotechnological growth. Second statement says it has been launched by DBT under Ministry of Science and Technology. Third statement says under the policy, FSI have issued final regulation for the commercial sale of cultivated meat in India. This statement is not correct as FSI have not yet given any guideline on the sale of cultivated meat in India. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is B. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is on nutrigenomics. Statement A says study of how nutrition interact with genes. Statement B says study on how genes affect the body's response to nutrients. Statement C says study of how use of fertilizer and pesticides impact the nutrient composition of crops. Statement D says using bioinformatics for identifying new source of plant-based protein. Here answer is A. Answer B refers to nutrigenetics. This is B refers to nutrigenetics, so answer here becomes A. Let's move on to the third question. The third question states, recently through India's L1 mission, scientists estimated the crucial parameter on CME very close to its lift from the sun. What is the significance of this observation? Statement A says it provided first ever spectroscopic observation of CME. Statement B says it enables scientists to directly estimate the mass, energy and temperature of CME. Statement C says it confirmed the presence of antimatter within the solar corona. Statement D says it demonstrated sun's rotation through X-ray imaging for the first time. Here answer is statement A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is on Aini Air Base. Statement A says it is an airstrip jointly inaugurated by India and Mauritius in 2024. Statement B says it is a joint airbase operated by India and Russia. Statement C says it was India's only fully fledged overseas airbase in Kazakhstan, but India has now withdrawn from it. Statement D says it is a US bill base in Kazakhstan leased to India. Here the answer is C. That is, it was India's only full-fledged overseas air base in Kazakhstan, but now India have withdrawn from it. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question of the series. Question number 5, which says which of the following pollutants were identified as the most hazardous in India's indoor air quality index? So 1 is benzene, 2 is carbon monoxide, 3 is methane and 4 is radon. Answer here is 1, 2 and 4 as methane is not identified as the most hazardous pollutant. So answer here becomes B, that is 1, 2 and 4. You can find all this question in Ajmal IS Academy social media platform. Thank you.